Hello all, welcome to channel Tech Tutorials Learn by Doing. In this channel, we post tutorial videos on tools and technologies that are being used in IT industry. This tutorial series covers tutorial on Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS. So let's get started for the day. In this tutorial, we'll learn about API Gateway. API Gateway is the AWS service which allows us to create an API as our requirement. We can create the API for get method, put method, or post method. In this tutorial, we'll create an API which will return us today's date and time whenever it is invoked. For getting today's date and time, we require Lambda function which will be called from API. So let us create that Lambda function first. So for that, I'll go to services and type Lambda here, Lambda, and we'll create a new function, create function, author from access, and function name get date. We'll write that function in Python. So select as Python, and with all settings as default, create a function. It will take a bit time before it is created. We can see that function is created. So let us modify the code. For returning today's date and time, we have to use module name as date time, and on body let us return date time now, which will return today's date and time, and let us format it in readable form strf. Verify the code strf time. Let me copy this. So let me copy this and paste it here. Proofy. So it will extract today's date and time, and it will print in this format. We can see it here, this format, and it will return to it. So let us deploy this. The changes have been deployed. So now let us create API gateway. For that, let me duplicate it, and on services type API gateway. Create API. We are going to create REST API. So under REST API, click on build. We would like to create a new API. API name is get date time, and create an API. Our API has been created. So let us create one new resources. Create resource name is date time. And under this resource, we'll create one get method. Under this resource, create method type is get method. Okay. Introduction type, we are going to integrate the Lambda function that we had created earlier. So Lambda, North Virginia, it is US East 1. So Lambda region is US East 1. Let me type something here, and it will suggest us get date, and let me save it. Okay. our API has been created and our get method has also been created, which will invoke the Lambda whenever this API is called. So now let us deploy this API. For that, I'll go to action and click on deploy API. New stage name is dev. Okay, let us ignore this. Under the method, this is invoke URL. Whenever we invoke this URL from our Postman or web browser or our code, we should get the response. So we can see that status code is 200 and body is current date as of UTC. You can see that it's changing, second is changing. So we can see that our API is working as desired. So instead of getting just date and time, we can implement any function here. It can be calling to database for given particular ID and giving its result to the client, or it can be any other thing that we have to implement in backend. So this was for it today, guys. If you like my video, hit on like button and subscribe to my channel so that you won't be miss on future tutorials. Thank you.